So, Victor, what can you say about this place, the Nice Hall?
I'm just overwhelmed.
You're short of words, right?
I'm short of words. I don't know what to say.
Say something. At least anything.
I'm really shocked because I've never heard about this place before. I don't have any clue of what I'm going to see here.
But you saw a lot.
But I saw a lot.
This is massive. So this was the dining hall, and there is still something on the ground. These people have been the builder. The dining hall 1104 to 1291. Oh my God. The members of the order took their meals in the communal dining hall. The brethren and officials, bailiffs ate together with the doctors of medicine and surgery. Wow, so this was the place you guys used to eat, huh? Dining hall. What is here? I'm very curious. Oh my God. The spears. The spears they used. Keep going under. Guys, if you are claustrophobic, you can't come in here. So this is the city, the hidden city of Akko. Oh, look at this. Keeps going down there. Okay, it's another spear to guard this entrance. There is a lot of places to tour here. Here it says the sugar industry. The Crusaders found an advanced sugar industry in the Holy Land. During their rule, production improved and sugarcane became one of the primary crops. 1104 to 1291. Imagine, as in, this is an underground city, the streets intersection even underground. Oh my God. The Crusades. The Crusades began with Pope Urban II's call to liberate Jerusalem and the sites in the east that was sacred to Christianity, 1099 to 1291. It says here the protected area. Let's see what is protected here. This is the beautiful hall. The beautiful hall. What is this? Remains of gargoyle sandstone. So if this hall is actually referred to the beautiful hall, then imagine how beautiful it must have been. Imagine how beautiful it must have been at that time for it to be called the beautiful hall. Let's keep going. At this point, I think I have lost my friends. I don't know where they are right now. Keep going. Boy, travel vlogs we've been talking. This place is small. He never entered this place. He still they go down here. Come see. Crypt. Now it gets scary and spooky. Alright guys, watch this. Isn't it spooky? Where are they going? I'm gonna go with you guys. And this is where we end our journey. This is the Croft, whatever it is. Here it says do not enter, but it is open. It says do not enter. Yes. Wow, it's so narrow. Guys, this is really a tunnel. Oh, it ends here. Okay, so now let's go back. Don't mind me, I'm a daredevil. Where they say do not enter, that's where I enter. But then, what is the point of adventure? Eh? What is the point? Alright, so I go back now. At least the doors are not closed on me. Crackhead, you too, they look for Wala. Oh my god, that is what I call real adventure. Like tunnel till it ends somewhere. Yeah, at least let me be the first person, one of the first to discover. I know they are still discovering tunnels from the 11th century BC. We go lost ourselves for this place. Wait, was I there? There is no how you can see everywhere under this tunnel because it's massive. Okay, I think I was here. Oh yeah, I saw it. The streets intersection. I was here, so I think I've finished exploring this region, even though I'm very sure I have not 100% seen everywhere, but it's okay with what I've seen. So let me look for the exit. Yes. Oh boy, people been the build though. Okay. Okay, this was where we came in from. All right. Now, let's go back to the street. Oh guys, that was a lovely experience. It's good to be out again. So breathe fresh air, you understand? Get how massive this place is. Where did we come from? Where do I go from here? So Victor, what can you say about this place? The nice hall.
I'm just overwhelmed.
You're short of words, right?
I'm short of words. I don't know what to say.
Say something. At least anything.
I'm really shocked because I've never heard about this place before. I don't have any clue of what I'm going to see here.
But you saw a lot.
But I saw a lot.
Left you speechless.
Yeah. A lot of things.
That's true.
I can't add up.
But now, how do we go out? Where is the exit? That's the question. Where is the exit? Okay, I think we came in from here.
Yeah. Of course. The woman said.
We didn't go through where?
She said the whole journey is like a loop.
Like a loop?
Like a loop.
Like circle?
Yeah, it will lead us back to where she
So it means we've missed places. But anyways, I think, yeah. So this was where we began from. And now we'll be going back. Okay, what? So now this is all?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. What is this place?
This is the basic condition of the Tokyo Summer's World. Come and
We can also enter?